Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to delete a playlist on Spotify. It's a very simple and easy process and I'm gonna guide you through how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, launch the Spotify app. Once you're in the app, make sure that you are logged in with your account. After you are logged in, you will see this kind of interface where you can explore different musics. If you like any songs, you can create a playlist and add the songs to the playlist. And in order to delete that playlist, you can go to your library. Here you can see the Your Library option at the bottom. Tap on it. At the top, you can see this playlist section. Tap on it. It will list down the playlist available in your account. Now, in order to delete this playlist, you need to go to the playlist first. For example, if I want to delete this My Favorite playlist, I'll just need to head over to this playlist. And once you're inside the playlist description page, you can see this three dot icon. Tap on it. And here you'll find this delete playlist option. You can simply tap on it and confirm to delete, and there you go. That's how you can easily delete a playlist on Spotify. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.